is up, guys? It is your boy Levon Cason back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Mi Action camera. So as you can see here, that's what it says pretty much. Mi Action camera 4K. It shoots in 4K as you can see here. 4K resolution, 2-hour battery life, 2.4-inch touchscreen, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and that's the CPU. So I already kind of unboxed it, or unwrapped it, as they say, so let's keep on unwrapping it. Let's hope I can get this for one hand. There we go. There we go. Now let's hope I can shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it! Alright, there we go. And as you can see, that is the camera itself. As you can see right here. See what else is in here in this box. So that's the Mi Action camera, terms and policies. That's the user manual. This is the USB cable. And this right here is the battery. So alright, so that's pretty much it with the unboxing. Now I'm going to be showing you guys some test footage of this camera right here, so yeah, let's get right into that. As you can see here, this is my first recording from the Mi Action camera, which is at 4K 30 frames per second. So let me know what you guys think of the quality, what you guys think of the sound. And this is using the external mic from the camera, so let me know what you guys think. Alright, so that is pretty much it. I did the unboxing. I did a recording with the internal microphone, and now I'm at the ending of this video. What do you guys think of the quality of that Mi Action camera? This will be, pretty much my primary camera until I get another camera. So yeah, what do you guys think of the 4K 30 frames per second quality? Let me know in the comment section below this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys later, and peace.